You can see this is all completely crushed. A new rocker panel section, which is what I have right here. I have a Honda Accord here. This one has some good rocker panel damage. You can see this is all completely crushed. Then it also has damage going all the way across. So it's gonna get a new rocker panel section, which is what I have right here. This is how it comes from Honda. And I'm gonna section all three of these joints. However, first I'm gonna put a couple clamps on this car, clamp it to the bench, and I'm gonna make some pulls and pull all this damage out first, because as you can see, the rocker panel comes a little short of the damage, of this part of the damage. So I'm gonna pull all this out, work it roughly back into shape, then I will go ahead and get this cut off and start fitting my new one up, and I'll have to do a little bit of repair work here. So I went ahead and I made a couple rough measurements, and it looks like the new panel goes in roughly right here. So there's going to be a little bit of repair work right here, but I'm going to have my welded seam anyway, so it's not really going to make much of a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this out of the clamps, and I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this rocker panel off. Now, I have this rocker panel sitting on here, and it's overlapping the last couple inches because I cut the old rocker panel off short, so it's a little bit of overlap. Now, to get a perfect cut, I'm gonna scribe this on all 3 seams. Then I will lift this rocker back off, and I'll cut right at that line and trim that last little bit out, and I'll have a perfect seam. So I got this one just about all trimmed out, ready to start fitting up the new rocker panel, get a final fitment on it. But that is a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.